closer to the road. The other one wasn't that close to the road. That second house is missing. They might be getting ready to rebuild it. It was sitting over there. It's no longer with us. Cinematic is tripping. So they got that torn down on that side. This side still needs to be torn down. It must depend on the insurance because that is still untouched. Nobody's touching this. That one is torn down. Burger King is still standing, even though some things behind it is gone. This little house that was sitting right here is gone and not replaced. They start work on that house. Still have down trees back that way. Looks like work is being done here. Work is being done, but not did. Trees. Have two houses are gone here. Look at that. That wood house was withstanding. These two houses are gone. There's some houses back off in there. Work is being done. They got a new fence. It's not focusing. They're still doing work, building. Getting siding put on. Getting a roof. Wonder why this phone is not focusing. Focus. Still need a lot of work done. Dang it. I guess it depends on the insurance companies because some of the houses are not getting anything done. Look like they would have had some, if they owned that RV, they would have had some, yeah, it was an RV right there and a BMW. But it's probably came from somebody else's yard, I'm not sure. So that house is gone. This one, I really think it depends on your insurance company. can trust. That house is gone. They are getting a new house. The trees still haven't been collected.